I'm proud that I found packages with the name Armenian Lavash written on them on the shelves of supermarkets in different countries. Many people do not even know what Lavash bread is, where Armenia is, what kind of people Armenians are. I want to tell the whole world about our beautiful country and ancient traditions, show our bread. In 2018, I launched the production of Armenian Lavash in Bulgaria, and I want my compatriots to follow my example. Let every country know about us. Let our bread be everywhere on the tables. If you are considering opening a business for the production of Lavash bread in your country, feel free to contact the Ukrainian company UTF GROUP. Its founder, Mr. Khachatryan, with his team of professionals, will help you to organize the production of any type of turnkey Lavash production project – Garni, Sevan, classic or for fast food. UTF Group offers lines of various capacities and degrees of automation, delivery and installation of equipment anywhere in the world, provides staff training, warranty and service. Lavash production is a noble and profitable business. Join us, let's show the best bread to the world.